Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for machine learning. Today we're going to continue the decision tree algorithm in machine learning. The previous session I explained about the native based algorithm. If you never have doubt, please kindly check the playlist and please subscribe and share with your friends and comment in the comment box with your doubts. So we go for the decision tree machine algorithm. So it's one of the important algorithm where it always used for solve the regression and classification problem also. Here decision tree. So what you know about decision tree is nothing but it is a supervised learning algorithm. Moreover, it is a graphical representation of all the possible solutions here. Moreover, all the decisions are were made based on the some conditions, and it represents the decision rules, and each leaf node represents the outcome here. So where you want, you can apply decision tree and go for get the solution here, better solutions. And I use for highlight points. So decision tree, why we need, because it's very easy to understand. Why we need decision tree, because it follow the tree structure and very easy to understand. Anyone can follow the decision tree algorithm very easily here. That is the one you have to remember here. And we are going to see everything. So before understanding this algorithm, you know the diagram. So it's concept of a root node followed by decision node. Left side and right side also decision node, where decision node followed by terminal node, and decision node again followed by terminal node and terminal node. If you want, you can extend. Otherwise, no need. Here also continue by terminal node and terminal node here. This is a subtree here. Let's go for example also. Before going the examples, you had now about some of the terminologies followed in the decision tree algorithm. One is called root node, one called leaf node, another called splitting, another called branch, another called pruning, another called parent or child node. So first one, root node. Root node is nothing but it's always say it's from where the decision tree starts here. Leaf nodes are the final output node here. Remember, and the tree cannot be segregated further after getting leaf node. So once go for the get the solution, we can stop it here. And splitting, it's a process of dividing the decision node or root node into subnodes according to the given conditions. And branch, a tree formed by splitting the tree here. And pruning, it's a process of removing the unwanted branches from the tree. And parent, the root node of the tree is called the parent node, and other nodes are called the child nodes here. Here, how does the decision tree algorithm works? Before going this, you have no terms here. Just now I told you, and it concept a step number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remember here, just go back the diagram. So root node, again go for decision node. If at all necessary only, it go and select the terminal node. If at all not okay, it go to the decision node, again for terminal node, and again go to the terminal node here. This is the concept here. Remember, let's cover the steps here. Step number 1 says begin the tree with the root node. Say yes, which contains a complete data set. Just now told you data set. And step number 2 saying find the best attribute in the data set using the attribute selection method. And step number 3 says divide the S into subset that contains possible value for the best attribute. And step number 4, generate the decision tree node which contains the best attribute here. At last, step number 5 saying recursively make new decision tree using the subset of the dataset created in the step number 3. Then continue this process until a stage is reached where you can't further classify the nodes and call the final node as a leaf node here. Let's go for the example. So first we go for a simple example. Let's assume that I may have hungry. I'm ask if I feel hungry, what can I can go have money. If I have money, and also think whether I have a huge hungry or some little bit. If at all huge so much hungry, I can go to the restaurant and eat whatever I want. Or else I can go some buy a juice and drink and come back. Otherwise, if at all I'm not having hungry, no means I can go for sleep. So this is a simple example for understanding the dysentery one, and go for another one. Let's assume that we have a color with diameter and label name. So color name green followed by diameter 3 and mango, yellow similarly 3 and followed by mango, and red followed by diameter 1 and label is grape, and so on and so on, and yellow diameter 3 and label is lemon. Let's go for the dysentery structure now. So on go here, what you get, we can make the diagram. Yes, diameter greater than 3 RS. No means you can go and decide 100% grape. If yes means you can say check whether again is it yellow or not. Again go for if it are no 100% mango. If it yes means it consider we can go conclude it that is 50% chance of mango and 50% chance of melon here. So let's see here understand. So how we can take the root node as a diameter here. and if the diameter is greater than 3, then we can have color either green or yellow. And if so diameter is less than 3, then you can go for gray, which is red here. Now we have to check the color. So also if you what he told, that information given here. So here now, but what you can check here, which here, but which question comes as a root node and which question comes next. This is the question arise here. So we need to see which attribute will unmix the label at the particular point. So just in the diagram. So this is very important. So here we can find the amount of uncertainty at a single node with something known as impurity, and also we can find how much a question reduces that uncertainty with something known as information, guys. Remember. So these are things here now about decision tree. I hope that you understand what is the decision tree and how it works and what are the terminology used in the decision tree and so on and so on. If you go queries, please kindly communicate with the social media, and thank you for watching the video. Thank you.